What's up guys, I am Honey and you are watching Tech Birthday Mind YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to discuss how to add your own location, your Google map and your house complex address, your college address, school address and all about on Google map by following some steps. Please watch the video without any skip. If you skip you miss the video and you don't add your location. Let's start. First of all, open the Google Map app and this type of interface will you see. And if you zoom your own location, a round blue circle is appear on the screen, and if you click on blue circle, three options will you see nearby places, share your location, save your parking. If you click see nearby places, then all the places at near you like cooperative bank, home, work, etc will you see. And if you click to contribute option, four option will you see, and if you click add places, then you can add your own location, your address on Google Map by choosing your address name. So type any address name, which types of your address like shop, so please enter your shop name. And this is category, which types of places do you want to add it on the Google map, like food and drinking, shopping, servicing and all about. You can I choose as residential and housing complex. And at last, if you click to submit button, then a photo will you add it on the Google Map for the verification purpose. So please add a photo by clicking allow option and choose photo. There are so many photo appears, you choose one of them and submit. Take some minute. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more update and share my video for support. Hooray, successfully I earned 15 points. Go to the home page, and this is home page. And if you click on arrow sign option, then different types of map view will you see on the screen, like 3D view, traffic view, bicycle, terror, satellite. Click one of them. I click on satellite view. So this is satellite view. You can see that it was very attractive array. And by following some step, we can see all the places and different type of map views. And by clicking on arrow sign, you can download your map offline by clicking offline map and select your own map. You can choose your map by zooming and adjust it and click to download it and download now. In this way you can download your map offline, and if you don't have any data pack, you can see your map at any time. So it is very interesting, and you can see the map is downloading 0%, and also we can delete it. Thanks for watching.